Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here, and today in this video I will show you guys all the basic easy footwork that everyone can do. Do take note that this is not like 6-step, 3-step, okay? This is a very short and sweet move that you can add into your footwork to add more details. Alright, so without any further ado, let's start. Now the very first one is hook. I'm gonna hook my right leg onto my left leg, do something like this. Hook, okay? So when I do the hook, you want to open up. In my case, I'm using my right leg. I keep it straight while I swing and hook and bend it. Alright, the best positions to do hook, I found that personally I think when you hook, your leg is going downward. Alright, not like this. It looks a little bit sloppy when you're doing like straight line. You want to do a bit to the ground like this. Moving on, we're gonna do the upper knee hook. Same concept, it's just that we're gonna put our right leg on top of our left knee instead of below. Looks something like this. Alright, so one more time. Again, instead going down, we're gonna put our right leg on top of it, like this. Thigh hook, alright, another variation for hook. You can see from them, we're gonna hook our right leg onto our thigh, okay? So it's not on the ground, it's not onto our left knee, but instead we're gonna hook on top here, all right? High here. So the way you're doing it is, again, left hand on the ground, right leg is gonna swing, and here's the tricks. You're gonna put your left leg or left knee on the ground, all right? So your right leg is gonna swing and switch hand. Okay, one more time. Swing. Now we're gonna do another easy move. It's called helicopter. Some of people call this one step, okay? Basically, this is a very simple and easy move where when you start learning breaking, a lot of you guys do this, all right? This is your very first move. Look something like this. Okay, so if you want to keep repeat it, you can do also. So, swing, swing, swing. All right, very simple concept. Again, right leg swing. While you swing, when you're about to hit your left leg is gonna go up so that your right leg can continue do the swing. All right, you can see my right leg swing over, but I want to keep my right leg straight. All right, keep it straight and continue do the swing. That's how you do helicopter, aka one step. Moving on, we're gonna do a move called CC. I know this is a very famous move in footwork, but not all CC is easy, all right? For this one, I think this is the easiest CC compared to the others, which is, I think we do the CC and then drop it down, okay? There are a lot of kinds of CC where you can see the CC kick, CC ultimate, and all those kind of CC, but this one I think is the easiest one. So basically you do a CC and just put it down. All right, switch, CC, put it down. Switch, CC, CC. Next up, we're gonna do the back CC, all right? Another variation of CC, and it's pretty easy to do. Now I'm gonna show you guys how the move is done. I'm gonna face that way so that you can see how my leg works. Start with push-up position here. Now I'm gonna cross my left leg in front of my right leg and look at my right leg. I'm gonna do a CC. All right, after CC, I put my right leg back down, back to the push-up positions again, repeat the same thing. My right leg cross over and my left leg is gonna do the CC. So we'll do it fast, it looks something like this. Hook knee slide, another version of basic footwork and consider easy footwork. We're gonna do the hook. From here, my right leg is gonna go out, and look at closely, I'm gonna put my right knee on the ground so that my right leg gonna go inward. Okay, one more time. Hook, side, open up. Moving on, we're gonna do the double leg kick. All of you guys already seen this before. We're gonna kick both legs out. I'm starting by placing my right leg on the ground so that I'm gonna kick both legs out facing left. From there, I'm gonna pull my both legs back in again, switch from right hand to left hand, and then I'm gonna kick to the right side. Okay, so starting from right hand, kick, pull in, switch, kick, pull in. So after get used to it, you can do it fast. Next up, knee turn. All right, put your right knee on the ground. Now look at my body. I'm gonna swing my left leg to the back, and I'm gonna put my right hand down to support it. So swing, catch. I'm gonna do it from that side, so when I end up, I'm gonna face the camera, you can see clearly. Okay, here we go. So right knee on the ground. I'm gonna swing my left leg, catch, swing, or you can switch to the other hand to continue to other footwork. Now moving on, we're gonna do another type of simple footwork. We're gonna put or straighten out your right leg like this. Okay, look closely. Now I'm gonna move to the right side, and my left leg is gonna go in, and we're gonna finish up by sitting down on the ground. Look something like this. Okay, one more time from the top. Right leg straight, right hand on the ground. We're gonna turn to the right side, and then we're gonna slide in our left leg in between. Footwork thread. All right, so this is how you do it. I love to do hook, so basically you can do hook for this move before you enter the thread, or you can do whatever move that you comfortable with. All right, so I'm comfortable with hook, so I'm gonna hook my right leg onto my left leg like you see here. I'm gonna put my left hand on my knee like this. All right, so I'm gonna open up my right leg and I'm gonna do a thread. You can see. One more time. Hook, left hand on your left knee, and I'm gonna do a hook. Okay, so this is another thread footwork that you can add in the detail into your set. Another thread variations, we're gonna start with a hook again. I'm gonna hook my right leg onto my left leg. Hook. All right, I'm gonna open up my right leg out to the right side and grab my right foot with my left hand, and we're gonna do a thread. Okay, from here we can continue again by doing the same thing. Hook, grab, thread, hook. Lately I've been doing this move a lot in my previous tutorial, so this move gonna look very fresh for you. All right, so what we want to do is we're gonna put our right leg on top of our left knee. Okay, from there we're gonna move our body from left to right. We're gonna create an illusion like we are controlling our body with our right leg. Okay, enough with the talk. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Okay, like this. Now we're gonna pull our right leg to the right side. Okay, another variation for footwork, pretty simple. One more time. Hook, pull. There you go, the very basic and easy footwork that you can learn right now. I think a lot of you guys already have known or mastered some of this move, but if you haven't, just check it out. Make sure clean it up and make sure you add it into your set. All right, so that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one.